Hello, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling with order of operation? Let us do this question together, step by step. As you can see, the question has subtraction, division, and addition. We are going to use PEMDAS to manage these operations. According to PEMDAS, we start with parentheses, then we go to exponents, after that, multiplication or division, then we are going to finish with addition and subtraction. From our question, we don't have parentheses, we don't have exponents, we don't have multiplication, but we have division. And the movement is from left to right. So we are going to start with division. That is 9, take away. We are going to keep 3. And then we are going to change the sign to multiplication. After that, we are going to flip 1 over 3. That is going to be 3 over 1, which is the same as 3. Then we are going to add 2. That is going to be 9 minus 3 multiplied by 3. We get minus 9 plus 2. Now we have subtraction and addition. They carry the same priority. Since we are moving from left to right, I'll start with subtraction. That is going to be 9 minus 9 is equal to 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2, we got 2. So our answer is equal to 2. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.